Hey friends, Shauna Kramer here with Creatively Uncorked. Today I'd like to introduce you to the new Creatively Uncorked membership website. We've had memberships for quite a while. If you are currently a member, then you would be logging in the My Account link in the way upper right of creativelyuncorked.com. However, to get to the new membership website, just go to the main menu and click on Members. Then here we are at the new membership website, Creative Just Live, and this is separate from our current website. So this is a separate membership if you are a member of creativelyuncorked.com and then you want to switch over to this first, then cancel that, and you'll be just fine. When you're on the new membership website, it'll tell you the different kinds of memberships that we do offer. If you have any questions at all and need to get a hold of me, go way to the lower right, click on that chat icon, and you can just go ahead and say hi. Let me know if you have any questions. This works just like a regular phone chat. Send a message and I'll get back to you when I can. As far as the membership goes, we have 3 different levels of membership. There's the Creative Just Live, which is all of the Creative Box Live paintings plus the Creatively Uncorked paintings. So there are over 200 paintings that will be here very shortly. We have the watercolor collection, which is watercolor paintings only, and there will be 2 new watercolor paintings per month. There's the acrylic collection, which gives you access to all things acrylic. To join now, you can just click on this Join Now button, and it gives you the options, which one that you want to sign up for. If you sign up for any annual plan, it's like getting 2 months free. I already have a login, so I'll log in here and show you how that works. So I'm over here on my membership page. What you're going to see immediately when you log in is the latest blog posts. This is today's blog post showing that kayak rental is now available on the website, and this will be included in your Creative Just Live membership as well as your acrylic painting membership. If you want to take a look at the Facebook group, there's an easy link to get to that. If you're looking for the most recent painting, find it here on the blog post. Just click and it'll tell you about it, and then click on the link to get to the class. It'll have all of the downloads, everything that you need to paint along to this video. If you want to see every product that's included in your membership, click on Products in the upper right near your name. And here is everything. It's going to keep scrolling. It's a really long list, depending on the membership. And if you ever want to see any additional products that are not included in your membership, and there will be a few more, there will be some workshop style classes that will be developed and added here. Just click on the More Products icon and you're going to see a few of the bonus classes that you can get. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Remember, you can just go to the chat icon in the lower right, and you can get to this through creativelyuncorked.com. Click the members link, or you can get directly here by typing in creativejustlive.com.